Okay, I'm reloaded. Big Dappuccino here. This is Show and Tell, number 111, part 2, the premium castings. Yeah, I usually try to space out more, but I think I have some business I have to handle Monday. Yeah, hopefully get this off. And maybe I'll be able to launch into another contest. I don't know. I definitely found a way to find out who my real subscribers are who have public accounts. So since I can't count on people being honest, I gotta find a way to do it myself. But anyway, let's get into the video. Saturday, that's last Saturday. That's how long ago this haul started. A Johnny Lightning came a 1969 Impala from Amazon. As you can see, I already busted the blister. It is a limited edition, one of 2,500. I don't think it's that new. Yeah, it's from 2020. It's released one. So last year, of course, we know what happened. A lot of stuff came late. So I'll just show what you can get from that series. I had this Greenlight from there. That was a very interesting find. I should have tried to check out that Mercury Cyclone, but I don't like the colors they's in. 1970 Mercury Cyclone. This is the Hot Wheels Larry's Garage version of that car. It would look better in red or maybe a yellow or black. Yeah, but it's a 1969 Chevy Impala SS convertible. Like I said, I busted the blister. So I'll go ahead and show it. I'll get more in depth when we do the odds and ends video, probably in a couple of days. I'm not even gonna open the hood, but I've been chasing after this casting for a while, and some people had it online, but they wanted like maybe $25 to $30 for it. Because I think before this, it had been out in a limited capacity before 2020. So, and this I had a 70. It's part of the lowrider. Auto World with these little teeny tires, always getting stuck. I'm wasting time adjusting this thing. I think I got it halfway. Yeah, and this is a lowrider, part of the lowrider series they had out last year. But this is a 1970, so I was looking for the 69, and the 70 is important. 69 is more important because my dad, he had a 69. Well, my family had a 69. My mom drove it too, but my dad mainly drove it. That was like the last Impala that he bought, and I was a still kid when they got rid of it. It hung on for a little while in the 80s. I was still in grade school when they got rid of it, but he had other cars. My mom had a car and he had another car, but anyway, I'm rambling. We'll get into that later when I do odds and ends. I might break out the other Impalas to show the differences through the years. Monday, I went to a shopping center where I went to Target first, and I found a whole lot of main lines that you can see in the other video. Yeah, I knocked that right over. That's the thing about being live. I got this 1977 Plymouth Fury from the movie Christine from the Greenlight Hollywood series. And I have the Camaro from the series and the Dodge Charger. The Christine I have is actually from Auto World. And I had it long before they did a Christine. I don't think I've seen the Greenlight Christine in person. I seen the Johnny Lightning Christine, and the wheels were too big. Looked like it's sitting on 18s or 20s or something. But and this is 2020, and I can't lie, Christine is one of my favorite movies, and I have different versions of this casting. I have another one from Greenlight Hollywood, which is green. I think came from the TV show Hunter. I think I had that for maybe, let's say, 2 years. And then I have a police car that I think I got in 2019. I'm not sure. So the Hunter one might be 3 years old. So it's a good addition to the collection. And that same shopping center, I was able to find at Barnes and Noble, which is somebody asked me, I think it was XLT Off-Road Bear, because he didn't know they sold at diecast. I didn't discover that until like 2 years later. I actually used to work for Barnes and Noble like in the early 2000s until like 2006 or 7. Yeah, 2007. And I was working in the loss prevention section. But loss prevention department rather. But yeah, they didn't really carry diecast back then. They started carrying diecast where I can document when they had the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels. They had a big display, and from then I found drag strip demons. I found 2 drag strip demons there, and I found, I think, the Mercedes-Benz Team Transport, the one, you know, the one with that was made in partnership with the sports watch company from Great Britain. I think a year ago, I had that one. But yeah, I found this because I couldn't find it in Walmart or Target, to be honest. And that is Barnes and Noble where I got the other 2 from this series. There's the Mercury Cyclone right there, and there's the Nissan Skyline, which is dirty again. This thing about black cars, man. And so this set is complete. I didn't break the blister on this, but we'll get a further look at this in odds and ends when I do the video. But it just says a Euro hauler, and it's a Lancia Rally, I think 037, and it's got that Lancia. The Lancia has that livery, the same Golf livery, and I love Golf liveries, you know. I saw one golf livery here. I think this is Pseudo. I don't think. Yeah, this is golf livery. This is mainline Hot Wheels. So golf livery is kind of cool. I had a truck. I think I got rid of it. So we can't wait to. We'll compare this in odds and ends with the past Lancias. So. And I think they already have a new tank transport out. And I'm not getting all of them. I'm just getting certain ones that I like. Um, let's move on. Um, yeah, that Tuesday it's last week now. Tuesday, because Sunday is technically it's the end of the week for some people. Sunday is basically supposed to be a new week. So Tuesday, I went to Walmart and I was able to find these Hot Wheels Boulevard cars, which there's a newer set out. So I'm just happy to get what I want. Get this. Really seen this Monster Cosmo and something else. I think another premium set, and I left it on the pegs, but I decided to pick this one up. It's 1968 Monster Cosmo Sport. This is what they had with the rotary engine before they started making the RX series, starting with the RX3, I think in 1972 or 73. I'm not sure. But I got all of these. I think the Riviera is put up. I don't want that drag bus because I don't collect that casting. Even though Moon Eyes is cool, I just think the casting's unrealistic in scale. So, and you'll see the other one. So, I want the Subaru, but that's the one people are probably taking. And if there's multiples up there, they'll take them all to give to their friends or either sell online. Which I think I do have a hoarder or a scalper working at Walmart, definitely, because sometimes stuff just never shows up, or when it does, it's just one casting of a certain casting or one part of a collection, and the most wanted cars, the gassers and the skylines and everything else that everybody wants never shows up. I was lucky to get this 63 Nova. So maybe this guy, maybe it was two sets and he bought the whole set and took an extra Subaru, which a lot of people do. But I'm lucky to get this one because even with my old drag strip Demons set from 3 years ago, I could not find this Nova, or I couldn't find the Black Hole one, which I only was able to get through when the Teen Transport came out. I think did that train get that train? I think I got that Teen Transport from Barnes and Noble too. I'm not sure, but yeah. So we got the 63 Chevy Nova Gasser. It's pretty cool. And last but not least, through Amazon, I was able to get this Auto World, another Auto World. It's Christine. And this version of Christine, they say it's an evil Christine. That's a hobby exclusive. They don't say how many units worldwide is going to be issued, but I don't think she's turned evil by then. She's just building up, but she's partially restored, I think, in that scene in the movie. I had the fully restored one. I'm contemplating getting the burnt one. But we'll see how that goes. And it's got some patina on it. I done busted the blister on this, so I'll take it out. And it looks pretty cool. I think the hood opens on this. And this is a cool addition to the collection. Because like I said, I love the Christine movie. I've seen it multiple times. Shoot, I read the book when I was, I think even before I was in high school, I read the book. In fact, I read many of Stephen King's books. And the white walls are mixed match. So it's really got a cool look to it. It really looks like it is raggedy. But he was getting parts from the junkyard. The main character to fix it up. The windows are frosted over. Dusty, I guess. And you see portions of the car that are faded. The portions of the car that are clean. Where I guess he painted it and waxed it. Was able to get newer parts. So patina on the roof. This is just a cool addition to the collection, man. I don't think anything's wrong with the whites. He got the lights together. And I think Autoworld did the best job as far as Christine. I think everybody's done Christine. I think Greenlight, like I said, Johnny Lightning, which I didn't like their wheels on. I saw that in person. I saw that at Target one time, and I let it sit on the stand because I already had the Greenlight one, and I was like, man, I'm not getting that one. It just didn't look right. The wheels didn't look authentic. The hoods. But this looks so authentic to me. So we can't wait to compare this one in the next odds and end video too, to the fully restored one. And that's pretty much it. Like I always say, this is not the best diecast channel. It's not the worst diecast channel either. The motto here is show a little love for the diecast. I want to thank the subscribers for your views and likes. As far as the new random viewers or people just tuning in, I encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification button so you have access to all the content. Until the next time, this is Big Dappuccino signing off. This has been Show and Tell number 110, part 2, the premium castings. Peace and blessings, folks.